Hello guys, today is not about AI, today is about Rumble. From the previous video that I made about Rumble, a lot of you were asking me, how do you receive your payment from Rumble, and also how do you get your account verified? And because of this, in today's video, I'm going to be taking my time step by step and show you how to connect your payment gateway on Rumble and also how to get your account verified. And a lot of you also ask me, is it available on mobile app? Yes, and I'm going to be showing you everything in this video. So all I want from you now is to just pay very close attention so you don't miss any part of this video. I don't like too much talk. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. All right, so first things first, let me first show you guys that we are asking me if the mobile app is available. Look at the mobile app, and I'm going to be creating new account from this particular mobile app right now. Okay, let me show you how you can use the mobile app also. All right, so go ahead and click it. Okay, so here we are. For the purpose of this video, like I said, I've already connected my payment gateway on my official Rumble account, the one that I'm using. I created it last week and it's doing extremely well. But because I want to show you how to connect the payment gateway and how to verify your account, and I've already done that on my own personal account, so I'm going to be creating a new account from the mobile app, and then I'll head over to their official website and show you how you can connect the payment gateway and also the verification. So let's go ahead and create a new account right now. So to make things very fast, I'm going to be creating the account using my Google account. All right, so I just created a new account right now, and if you want to know how the step by step how I was able to create the account, watch my previous video when I created my official account last week. Okay, so just go through that. So it's just basically just like your YouTube. Okay, if you know how to use YouTube, then you know how to use it here also. But unlike YouTube, that you need 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hours. Okay, this one is just like the moment you sign up, they start paying you. As long as you start uploading video and your video is getting view, right, they'll start paying you. And I'm going to be showing you that. But there are some creators tools, some monetization tool that you not have access to it until you reach 100 followers. That is just the truth. Okay, but they will be paying you for your videos. Actually, they will be paying you for your video, your views, everything. But there are some creators too you don't have access until you reach 100 followers. Unlike YouTube, that you need to get up to 1,000 subscriber and also 4,000 watch hour, and then go through that stress of monetization process before you start receiving money. No, this one is not like that, and I'm going to be showing you that in a moment. Okay, so I just use the app so that I'll show you that yes, you have access to it. You can monitor everything from your app also. So now to add the payment gateway and also the verification, we are going to be making use of their web app to do that. Okay, so that we have access to so many tools there. And also, if you like, you can use their studio, that is Rumble Studio, just like your YouTube studio. You can use it also to do the verification and the payment gateway, but we are going to be using the web app. So now head over to the web app now and show you how to do that. So just come here to your browser and then search for rumble.com. Look at it here. Okay, now rumble.com. And then this is how the interface look like. Okay, on the website, this is how it looks like, as you can see. And guess what, most of the creator that you see on YouTube are also putting their content here, and they are making money in the two platform. Okay, now take a look at it. Right, you see, so there are a lot of content here for you to watch, and also you can start putting your content. As you can see, 7 days ago, 191k views. This person is making lots of money from Rumble. To show you that there are a lot of viewers here, there are a lot of users. Okay, you see, all the videos are getting views. So now let me show you the dashboard. Look at it. You click your icon here, up here, and then you are going to see this dashboard. Click the dashboard. If you click the dashboard now, this is a new account, actually a brand new account. But look at it. You see statistic and analytics. You see that my earnings start counting immediately, but I never start putting content and getting any view. It's a brand new account. And look at your dashboard. Before you can see this on YouTube, you must have nothing less than 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour. You must pass through the monetization process before you see this. But this one, they don't need much thing. If you can get immediate, if you start putting your content and you are getting views, they'll start paying you. Okay, and if you want to get to some of their programs, then you need to get just 100 followers. 100. With 100 followers, you have access to all their creators program. But for your own video, they are going to pay you as long as you start getting view. You start putting content and you are getting view, and that's why they are showing your dashboard like this. If I start putting content and I'm getting view, they'll start paying me. That's one good thing about Rumble. Okay, and it's their user here that is going to see your video. All right, so for the purpose of those who are new, who do not watch my previous video, there's something that you need to create a channel, and also you need to verify your phone number, right? So for you to create a channel, you just have to click the hamburger icon at the left. Okay, and then you are going to see dashboard, you are going to see live stream, videos, channel, connect shops. This is exactly on YouTube. Before you have access to connect all this connection, monetization, you must have passed through the monetization process, which you need nothing less than 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 watch hour. Okay, all these benefits. Okay, I have it on YouTube, and it is because my YouTube was monetized. Okay, before I don't used to see it. Okay, so now you want to create a channel, right? You click these channels and then go ahead. You are going to see my channel. Go ahead and click it. This is the same thing like you creating the channel on YouTube. You are going to see create channel, then you go ahead and click create channel, and then name your channel, title and description of the channel. Okay, and then put the thumbnail of your channel. That is just like the logo of the channel, right? Yeah, that is it about that. And also let me show you something. You need to verify your account. Okay, this verification is just like the monetization process on YouTube, and you only need your phone number only to verify your account, and then you start receiving your payment. You need to verify account before you start receiving your payment. Yeah, I've done this in my previous account, in my main account. That's why I created a new Rumble account, so that I can show the people that are new. Okay, so for me to walk you through everything very well today. And then after that, let me quickly show you the verification process. Then after that, I'll show you how to connect your payment gateway to start receiving your money. So to do that, you just have to go ahead and click this account setting, right? And then it's going to bring you, look at it, verification. Go ahead and click this verification, and then you see not verify. Why? Because this account is a new account. All right, we just created it using the app, right? As you can see, they only request my phone number for the verification. That's the only thing that I need to do. You see what I need to do now. My country is already Nigeria. I should go ahead and put my phone number without the country code. The country code is already up here. This +234. That's my country code. So for me to verify, I just have to put my phone number, and then I'll hit. I select either mobile or call. Mobile, either they text me, mobile phone text, or landline and mobile call. Okay, you have to go ahead and select anyone that you prefer for the verification, and then the moment you verify it, you are going to see that the account will be verified. Okay, so that is how to verify your account. Next now, which is the payment gateway. How do you connect your payment gateway and start receiving your money? Now let me show you how to do that. All right, so to connect your payment gateway, what you need to do is to click this setting. Okay, and this your account setting. Click the setting. Under under your setting, you just scroll up. You are going to see payment type. Okay, PayPal. They only accept PayPal for now, and PayPal is now available in Nigeria and also some other African country. Okay, so it's PayPal that they accept for now. So you just have to go ahead and create your PayPal account, and then you just provide the email. Okay, just for example, I put this email. This is my PayPal account, right? This is my PayPal account email. Just provide it, and then hit change, and then hit changes, and then you are done. Your payment gateway has been connected. So whenever you make money and you reach $50, it's from $50 that you'll be able to withdraw your money, right? So immediately you reach that $50, you can go ahead and withdraw it to your PayPal account, and then from your PayPal account to your local bank account. Okay, so this is how to connect your payment gateway. All right, so if you're having issue with your verification, I highly recommend you to check my previous video. I break everything down. Should in case they are not sending you the code, right, you just have to go ahead and check it. Okay, this platform is top notch. Since I uploaded a video, there's a new from my channel that I created, and then I'm not getting view. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you that how I'm going through everything, how everything is being going. All right, so for me to upload, I just have to click this plus icon, this video icon here.
Same thing with YouTube. And as you can see, if I want to upload, you see, I can go ahead and upload. And then if I want to go live, I can go ahead and go live. Just the same thing with YouTube, okay? And if you want to, like, in the previous video that I made, I was able to upload a video. So if you want to know that, you just have to go ahead and check it out to upload properly in order for it to get view. Go ahead and check that video out, or check the link at the description of this video. I'm going to be dropping the link of that video there.
A quick one. Do you want to learn how to do everything with AI? How to create any type of realistic AI video? How to create a chatbot using AI? How to create a responsive website using AI? How to create any type of flyer or logo using AI? Facebook adverts, prompt engineering, and so many more? Then I highly recommend you to join our academy today. On our academy, we have over 10 modules, and each of the modules come with its own lesson, as you can see. So if you are interested, join our academy to learn everything today. So just click the link at the description of this video and you are going to see a link to our academy. Join our academy today.
And this is basically how you can create a Rumble account, verify your account, and connect your payment gateway. And I hope you find this video helpful, right?